Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. You can see how we repaired it. We thought we were going to get an all brass piece, but we realized that when we got it that it was brass in the front and chrome in the back. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. Get a nice shot of espresso with really good crema. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.